And then we have these three half letters. This is paeri which haha, or paeri haha, paeri rara, paer which rara, and paer which vava, or paeri vava. So they're like half form of haha, half form of rara, and a half form of vava. And the way you write this is sometimes it looks a bit like a line, sometimes it looks like a mini haha. So we're going to use that version. So I'll write it with the letter nanna. So imagine we've got the letter nanna, and then we just put a little haha, tiny. It looks a bit like a curl rather than a haha, but it's representing a mini haha here at the bottom. Again, I'll do it with the letter rara this time. And it's a bit messy sometimes, but tiny little haha at the bottom of the rara there. And the example words that we've got are barna, barna. So it's not always very obvious that you're saying that you've got this little haha, but it does give a bit more kind of a lighter sound to that letter that you're using it with. So instead of barna, it's barna. Barna is to read or to study. And instead of nauna, it's nauna, nauna. So it's like you're adding like a touch of the letter haha into the nauna, nauna. That means to wash, shower, to bathe, nauna. That's paeri haha. Paer which rara is a lot more common. So it does not look like the letter rara as you might imagine. So rara is here, but maybe to avoid confusion or just for other reasons, the paer which rara looks very different. So imagine we're writing sase paer rara. So then we'd have sasa and then loop it around like this. A bit like when you start writing rara, this little loop here, this is similar to that. So, फिर तो लिखते हैं. Maybe with the letter tata, and you can either just put it like that, or you can take your pen off and do like that. So it's like a little reverse comma, perhaps. And I'll give an example with the letter papa. So this is the paer which rara. It looks a bit like a mini kakka here, but you don't really get paer which kakka. So this is paer which rara. And some words which include paeri rara. So these are supposed to attach to the letter rather than the matra. This is just because we're typing, it's not exactly how it would appear when it's handwritten. So they should touch letter sasa, they should touch the letter papa, and here it's touching tata, but it would perhaps not be in this position, it would usually be at the front of the tata here. So this is shri, instead of sari, if you had a whole rara it would be sari. This is shri, shri. It's like a honorific, it's like a prefix that you put at the start of someone's name to give them more respect. Like you'd say Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji instead of just Guru Granth, for example. And Preet, Preet instead of Parit. Preet is love. And Trail. Trail is like dewdrops that you get on the grass in the morning, for example. And then we have paer which vava, paeri vava. It does look like a mini vava without the horizontal line at the top. So nu likhte hain. We'll write it with the sasa. We've got examples with sasa here. So sasa. And then we just have this little vava hanging off the bottom of the sasa. फिर तो लिखते हैं. Sase, paer, vava. Sva. And some examples of words which use Paerich Vava are Swami. So instead of Savami, it's Swami. A type of holy person or a saint. And Sva Vishwas. Sva means the self. Sva Vishwas is self-confidence or self-belief.